So the Milestone was developed for that family that really just wants to get out and experience life together. For the customer that says, hey, I want to be able to have the space in a unit that I need to. So if it's a long trip, or even if it's a weekend getaway, they feel like they have the space that they need.
So the cool thing about Milestone is all of the great features that you see on Milestone are all standard. There's no options, there's gonna be no upsells. What you see is what you get. And at this point with Milestone, you get a ton of really good features. Whether you're getting the Rota Flex hitch on the front, it's gonna give you a smoother towing experience. And we have the solid MORryde step above entry steps for a solid step when you're entering and exiting the unit.
We're doing things like the 50-inch ETV. The ETV is unique in the sense that it has the sound bar built into it, and also all of your stereo, your ability for FM, AM radio, all built into the TV itself.
Overall, the whole coach with the features that you're getting a great, solid built fifth wheel for any of your camping adventures, and you're gonna really enjoy any time that you're taking the Milestone out. Milestone has a great selection of floor plans, and one of the things that makes Milestone as a brand so unique is we have two industry unique floor plans. Our 370, our front living mid bunk. It's got an awesome front living section on the front of the coach. It's got 3 couches up there. So I think having that separate from the kitchen is one of the things that I really like about it. And then moving on back, you do have the mid bunk with a loft too, so plenty of sleeping capacity. And then also the unit that's behind me is our 360 hidden pantry. Go ahead and check it out. If you open up these doors right here, you got plenty of cabinet space. You got a desk for working remotely with wireless charging ports, plenty of counter space and pantry as well. We have floor plans for couples. We have floor plans that have bunkhouses, mid bunks. So really for whatever you're looking for, we probably have a floor plan for you.
We really took the time to say if we're gonna develop floor plans within this segment, we wanted to understand what the customer wanted and give floor plans that spoke to those needs.
I think one of the best things being on the Milestone team for me and representing the brand is seeing somebody that just recently purchased a Milestone and the happiness on their face, being able to create family memories and to be able to go on vacation and do it comfortably with their family.